Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with concrete identifiers: model, serial, UPC/EN, and any part numbers, photograph logos, and PCB or label markings. Once done, use image search and barcode scanning apps to find matching listings and supplier names. These reveal seller metadata. Make sure to jot down date codes and revision numbers. They narrow the factory and production run. While you search, compare product photos side by side for casting marks or unique screws that point to a single manufacturer. You move into tracing. Pull item pages, supplier metadata, and invoice SKUs. These often include manufacturer names or importer codes. Then query trade databases and customs records to link HS codes to manufacturers, and scan B2B marketplaces for identical OEM listings. At the same time, contact sellers and post detailed photos in niche forums and LinkedIn groups. Community insiders often spot tooling or batch marks. Make sure to compare part tolerances and materials to confirm them. You finalize by verifying candidates. Request factory images, certifications, and sample production runs. Compare serial formatting and QA stamps. Once verified, confirm minimum order quantity, lead time, and official contact data. Ask for tax or business registration numbers and cross-check them. If responses stall, escalate. Resend clearer photos, use translation for labels, and ask for close-up tool marks. These often force clarification. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hit a dead end, re-examine less obvious markings like inner mold lines or PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.